Convenient. The DELUXE bar adapter installs with the push of a button. The bar also includes a user-friendly quick release to remove it from the bike easily. Works like a charm. The frame easily attaches to your bike seat post and handlebar stem post. This provides a horizontal bar so that it can hang on a top tube bike rack or use it to create a higher bar for ratchet arms. Maximum load capacity of 35 IBs when used on a hanging rack. Versatile. This bike frame adapter bar is ideal to help secure kids' bikes or any bike with a sloped top tube. Protects your bikes. With the vinyl-coated hangers, you can have peace of mind knowing your bike's finish will not be damaged. Sturdy. With a telescopic adjustment from 19 to 26, you can be sure it will stay put. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. To the people worried about the bungee cord, it's not required at all for this to work, and isn't what keeps it in place. It's only there to make it a little easier to carry around. I really don't understand how this is a problem for people. This is a great rack adapter for a really good price. It's easy to use and install, and unlike the Allen adapter, you don't need to fight against a heavy spring to install it on a bit. In addition, once installed it's locking in place, while the Allen will only remain in place if it's under tension. I highly recommend it.